Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Students, we are in unit 3, that is spreadsheets in Excel. Spreadsheet software, Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet software that can be used for storing, organizing and manipulating data. Manipulation means to apply some operations or functions on the data inside the Microsoft Excel worksheet. It is a part of Microsoft Office developed by Microsoft, and that is why it is commonly known as MS Excel. MS stands for Microsoft. There are many features of MS Excel. A few are given below. It is very user friendly, of course. The GUI interface is very user friendly and self-explanatory. MS Excel spreadsheets have the capacity to organize information into 256 columns and 65,536 rows in MS Excel 97 to 2003 versions. It has many built-in functions. You can sort your data in ascending or descending order easily in the Microsoft Excel. It has variety of charts such as bar chart, pie chart, column chart and line charts, etc. All these different types of graphs and charts are available in the Microsoft Excel. It has the autofill, autocorrect and autoformat features. Apart from all these features, some other features are also there in the latest versions of the Microsoft Office MS Excel application. Now, workbook and worksheet. In Microsoft Excel, a workbook is the file in which you can you work and store your data. It contains one or more worksheets. It means that a workbook contains many worksheets. By default, a new Excel workbook will contain an open worksheet named Sheet 1. We can create or add more worksheets by clicking on the plus button shown in the figure. Here in this figure we can see that the plus button is red encircled. So if we want to add some other sheets in our workbook, we have to click on this button and sheets will be added in our workbook. An Excel worksheet is a single spreadsheet that is made up of rows and columns, as we can see here in this image. A worksheet begins with row number 1 and column A. Here in this worksheet we can see that the rows are represented by numbers starting from 1 and the columns are represented by capital letters or alphabets starting from capital A. Each cell can contain a number, text or formula. Here in this worksheet, every cell can contain either a text, a number or any formula or function, and the value which is given by that function can be contained in a single cell. Now, Excel application window. This is the Excel application window in which the home tab is active. Different parts of the Excel application window are labeled here in this diagram. Quick access toolbar is here, title bar is here, formula bar, close button, ribbon. Columns are represented by capital alphabets. Active cell is here. Rows are represented by numbers. Further, we have the worksheet tabs over here. Sheet 1 is active. Name box is there. File tab is also there. So zoom slider. This is the Excel application window. Application window, and here we will discuss few of the important or main components of the Excel application window. First of all, title bar. At the top of the Excel window, there is a title bar which contains the name of the current workbook you are using. By default, Excel opens with Book 1, the default name of any workbook that we create or any file that we create in the Microsoft Excel. The default name will be Book 1. Here in this image we can see that it is named Book 1, which is the default name of any Excel workbook. Second important component, menu bar. Menu bar contains the menu commands. Here the menu bar contains File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Page layout, Formulas, Data, Review and View. All these different menus are available on the menu bar. It contains the file related commands: open, save, print, close, etc., edit commands, cut, copy, paste, etc., view, insert, format commands, etc. All these different commands are lying under these different types of tabs which are given in the menu bar. Here you can see this one is the title bar, which shows the title of the workbook, that is Book 1, and the type of Book 1 is Excel, means that it's an Excel file. Further, this one is the menu bar, which contains the menu, that is File, Home, Insert, Page layout, Formulas, Data, Review and View. Under these tabs different options are there and different commands are also there that we can apply to the data in our Excel sheet. Okay, third component, that is standard toolbar. The standard toolbar contains the icons that we use most frequently, like saving, opening, printing, etc. Here you can see that under the Home tab this standard toolbar is available, which contains several commands, several options are there. Most commonly used options are there: cut, copy, paste commands are there, bold, italic, underline, and font style, font color, font size, highlight. All these different types of text alignment, all these options are available in the standard toolbar. Formula bar. This one is the formula bar in front of the f of x. F of x is the function. Whatever whatever the formula that we want to apply to any data in the Microsoft Excel, we used to write that formula over here in this formula bar. The formula bar can be used to enter or edit a formula, a function or data in the active cell. Whatever the function, whatever the formula that we want to apply, we have to write it over here. Further, we can also edit that formula according to our requirement or need. Okay students, that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.